your time conference 2016. It don't come again, no. I been a man you dey stay. Gwagwalada, anywhere where you dey, make you dey belele, they come out on the rock now. The team for this Ogbonge program, so now they call manifestation of the sons of God, though. The people when they go come speak for this program, Dr. John Tetsola and Dr. Glenn Aregion, all these people that they come for this, all of them from Obodo Yibo, and our metropolitan pastor, Pastor Paul, hey, Adeforasi. The meeting go start on Wednesday, 31st August, 9 a.m. for morning. It can continue for Thursday, the 1st of September. It go start from 5:30 p.m. in the evening. Go reach Friday, the 2nd of September, the same time. Then on Saturday, the 3rd, 7 a.m. for morning, the grand finale, our celebration super combined service. We go bring some Ogbonge musicians, whether they call Pastor Shintok and Sonny Badu. If you know we come, I don't know where you go sit down though, because this time we go start for 8 a.m. in the morning. Host now Pastor Goodheart and Pastor Mrs. Bimbo Ekweme. See you.